Welcome to week 178 of my renovation on Iris Street. This week, I'm still out of the country for the majority of the week, visiting friends and coworkers in Belfast. So let's check it out. Week 178 is a mix of working in Belfast, drinking Guinness at fantastic local pubs, and trail running in the rugged and beautiful East Coast. As this is my 5th day in Ireland, I walked the now familiar route from my hotel to the office 12 blocks away. I'm not a fan of busy street crossings, but I still think I could get used to walking to work. On Thursday, I somehow managed to wake up early enough to run before work. This footpath alongside Lagan River proved to be a good choice due to its minimal street crossings. After work, my team showed me some great local pubs, something I wish we had more of in the States. Pubs in Ireland can be crowded, loud, and sometimes dirty, but they're also crowded, fun, and full of great live music. On Friday, I say goodbye to Belfast. After dropping my key fob off at the office, I head to Carlingford to get some rest at a hotel. Tomorrow, I'm going to attempt a trail run near the coast, and I'm ready for some sleep. On Saturday, I'm up in the morning and park right in the little village of Carlingford. I've selected a 14-mile loop right next to Carlingford Loch, which nets 3,600 feet of verticals. This is actually quite a lot given the distance. I was fortunate enough to have sunny weather, but the wind was out in full force, creating the conditions for an epic yet hilarious run. The higher I climbed, the better the views got, but the stronger the winds got too. Interestingly, I had an extremely strong tailwind heading uphill, which made for some enjoyable climbing, at least as enjoyable as climbing can be. At the top of this loop, I was fully exposed, and the wind was something else. Here's a video of me trying to explain how this is the windiest run I've ever been on in my life. You can't even hear me. Later in the run, I realized my cell battery was getting low due to my excessive photo taking and from the cold air. It ended up dying altogether, but fortunately at that point, I could see the village I needed to return to and was able to navigate home without freezing to death on this windy hillside. There were many moments where the grass was so wet, slippery, and steep that I fell on my ass and slid. I had mud in places it should be and mud in places it shouldn't be, but all in all, this was a blast. I'm glad I came out. After wiping myself down with a rag, I head back towards Dublin to prepare for my Sunday flight home. Thanks for joining me on week 2 of my travels abroad. It was great to connect with my coworkers in Belfast, to see Charlie and Rachel again, and to catch some epic views of the Irish countryside. It's going to take me a week to recover from my travels, so as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy renovating.